Do you have the question?
Do I have any questions? So where do you go to school?
I go to school at Gongsu Private School.
Very nice. What's that like? Do you like it?
Yes, sometimes.
Yeah, I expected that much. So what kind of subject do you like most?
I like English.
English. Nice. Very topical.
What is the favorite sport?
My favorite sport? Oh, I'm not very much into sports, you know. Yeah, I'm really not into sports. You know, I don't like soccer and all of these things. I don't watch any sports. Yeah, that's just me.
I like soccer.
Ah, right. Yeah, my kids like soccer too, especially Max likes soccer. Okay, he just said now he likes volleyball, but he used to like soccer.
Yes, I like volleyball too, but I'm not good at it.
Well, it's difficult, yeah, and you have to be tall, right? You have to jump very high and then
Yes,
do all
I
of that
see.
stuff.
And now I am goalkeeper,
Oh, you're a goalkeeper. Very good.
but I'm not good at it.
Well, practice makes perfect, right?
Oh, you like coffee?
Yes, I do like coffee. I drink a lot of coffee, usually like 4 cups a day.
Oh, you like the milk coffee?
Yeah, in Vietnam I usually drink milk coffee,
Yes. I
much more
think
so than the black coffee.
This is milk coffee.
Oh yeah, Vietnamese filter coffee, yeah. So like,
Coffee milk.
yeah, with milk and cold, yeah.
That is for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Much appreciated. Thank you. That's very kind.
You go to here with your kids and your wife?
Yeah, exactly. My wife is sitting over there with her parents, and we're gonna go to Da Nang now. We're gonna board the train in like, I don't know, 35 minutes or something.
What is the number of your train?
Number of our what?
Your train.
I think it's the SE3. Yeah. Although it says SE6 over there, but don't know why.
No, not really. It's actually 6 is a train in the afternoon.
Ah, okay. Yeah, then they didn't update it, I guess.
Yes. So, do you watch soccer?
No, not much. Only when there's like a World Cup, right? And then everybody's watching it and you're doing these kind of public viewings and stuff, then sometimes, but usually no.
So why?
I'm just not interested in sports really. I prefer to watch TV shows on Netflix and things like that in my spare time. Or anime sometimes, when I have the time.
Anime.
Yeah.
My friends, they like anime.
Oh, really? Cool. What do they like?
They like the girls. I
Got
don't
it.
know why. I don't know why do they like the girl in anime.
No idea. I watch things like Naruto and One Piece.
Yes,
Yeah.
Naruto is nice.
Yeah. I've started watching that when I was still in school. So that's like over 20 years ago.
And he can run very fast.
Yeah, he can. That's true.
So do you listen any music?
Yeah, what?
Do you listen any music?
Yeah, I do listen to music mostly when I'm working. Then sometimes, I put on my headphones and I listen to video game music mostly, or guitar music sometimes. Yeah.
What is your favorite music?
I like a lot of video game music, like the music from Final Fantasy VII. I think I like the best. And you can watch that on YouTube, so you can listen to it whenever you want.
Yes, I see. I like the music, Minecraft music. La 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 la.
Right, Minecraft. Okay. Yeah, why not? Why not?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
What is the favorite movie?
It's a movie called Pacific Rim. You know Pacific Rim?
Not really.
Okay, it's basically big aliens and big robots bashing their heads in. It's fantastic.
I like the Running Red. Run Red.
Okay, yeah.
It's Vietnamese film.
Right, cool.
In Vietnamese, they call mưa đỏ.
Oh, okay. I don't think I've ever watched a Vietnamese movie so far.
Yes, It's a big movie in Vietnam,
Right, cool.
and they have big with one villain.
Yeah,
From the people who watch that movie, give the
nice.
that's
Very good.
lot.
Yeah.
Well, how many countries are there do you travel?
Good question, right? I've been, in Europe to a couple of countries, right? Germany and then Austria and Switzerland and I think Czech
Vietnam.
Republic and Vietnam and then China and Japan and France and Italy and Great Britain, the United States a little bit. And then I don't think I've been to Luxembourg. Oh yeah, but then the Netherlands and Belgium and Spain. So must be definitely over 10. Definitely over 10.
That's a lot.
Yeah, and then Cambodia, a brief stint when we were here in Vietnam. I've been to Singapore exactly once for like 6 hours. Long story.
Yes. Well, one people here from London. He's with me from London to Vietnam. They take the plane for 1 day.
Yeah. Yeah.
24 hours.
Wow.
That's
That is
long.
That is very long. Yes, that is very long. We came here from Paris to Hanoi. That was about 12 to 13 hours. Yeah, that was long enough.
Do you like Vietnam?
Yeah. This is my 7th time here in Vietnam.
Your 7th time.
Yeah, but because my wife is from here, right? She grew up in Germany, but she was born in Vietnam. So I came to Vietnam the first time in 2007.
Is your wife? Where's your wife from?
She was born in Nam Ding.
She's from Vietnam.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, and their parents still live here. They live in Saigon.
You speak Vietnamese?
Not really, no. I've tried it a couple of times, but it's just too hard for me to pick up. And then when we're back in Germany, right, everybody speaks German, so you don't really need to be able to speak Vietnamese. And we only come like every 2 or 3 years, so you would use it very rarely.
Yes, I know Vietnamese is very hard.
Yeah.
But your wife is from Vietnamese. Does
Yes.
she teach you something?
Well, she's teaching our children a little bit, and I think they understand a fair bit, but they usually respond in German. So they don't speak a lot of Vietnamese, but they can understand quite a bit of Vietnamese.
Does your wife speak a lot in Japanese?
Yeah, she speaks fluent German, right? She went to German school, she went to German university, so she speaks fluent German.
Nam Định, Nam Định is your wife hometown?
Yeah, basically, that's where her parents are from, and that's where she was born. Yeah.
Yes, there have one very good football team.
Oh, really? I didn't
It's
know.
called Phép Xanh Nam Định.
Oh, wow.
There are big player in Vietnam play there.
Yeah.
Hudson is from Brazil.
Okay, I had no idea.
He is a very good player.
Yeah. Wow, I learned something.
Yes, he helped Vietnam a lot from win Thailand.
Yeah.
2 days win Thailand.
Okay.
In World Cup 2022.
Yeah.
No, 2024.
Right. Oh, very good.
Yes, he's very strong.
Nice.
The people in Laos, they say he saved the tigers because he's very tall.
Yeah.
So,
I can see that. Nice.
okay, and thank you for listening.
Of course.
Can
Thank you
I
very
take
much.
a photo with you?
Of course. Yeah.